Hello everyone, welcome to the channel World of Maths, and today we came up with a new topic, square root spiral, and using that we will also represent irrational number, that is square root numbers, on the number line. So what is square root spiral? Let us see. So to draw square root spiral, first we have to draw the number line. We all know the number line, the line on which we represent different type of numbers, and that is represented with the arrows on both the sides. In the middle there is a point 0, and taking 1 unit, I am taking here this as the 1 unit. Okay, so if we have taken 1 unit here, that is 1 unit. Let this point be A, this point. Now with the help of protector, keep the protector at this point A here, and then draw the 90-degree perpendicular line. Okay, then with the help of scale we'll join these two points. Now on this perpendicular line also I have to take 1 unit. With the help of whatever 1 unit we have taken, that same 1 unit I have to take on the perpendicular line. Now this point let be P1 and join P1 with O. Okay, so we got a right angle triangle. So this side also 1 unit, that is AP1 is 1 unit. OA was also 1 unit. Okay, now what will be OP1? OP1 will be equal to root 2. Now the question is why OP1 is equal to root 2. That we will see later. So let us draw again here perpendicular with the help of protector at this point P1 with the base OP1. Let us keep it like this and draw 90-degree, keeping the base on this base OP1 at point P1. 90-degree. Now with the help of scale join these two points P1 and this point. Okay, then this point also join with O. Okay, so this one will be here. One thing here, what we have done here, we have drawn the 90-degree, but here also we have to take 1 unit. Whatever 1 unit we have taken on this line also we have to take 1 unit. The same length we have to take. So this point will be 1 unit, not this one. This one is 1 unit. Now join this point with this point. Okay, no, not like this one. Okay, so here 1 unit, this one also 1 unit, and this one will be root 3, and this one was root 2, that is OP1 root 2. This is P2, let it OP2 is equal to root 3. Okay, similarly on OP2 draw a 90-degree with the help of protector with the base OP2. Draw a 90-degree, join it on this. Again 1 unit length you have to take. 1 unit we will take here, 1 unit, and join this with here. Okay, now this is P3 and this one will be root 4. OP3 is root over 4. Okay, similarly again on this base OP3 Again you have to draw the 90-degree angle on this base. Again 90-degree, and then you have to join it, and then here 1 unit length. This much we have taken 1 unit and join this point here with O. So this point is P4. So OP4 we are getting as root over 5. Okay, so in this way this process will continue, and this is known as square root spiral. Now the question is, why OP1 is root 2? So we all know the Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem is used in a right angle triangle. Here OAP1 triangle OAP1 is a right angle triangle. So in this right angle triangle, we know the statement of Pythagoras theorem, that is hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So in this triangle OAP1, OP1 is the hypotenuse, OA is the base, and AP1 is the perpendicular or height. So OP1 will be equal to OP1 square, that is hypotenuse square, is equal to OA square plus AP1 square. Now what OA we have taken? OA we have taken as 1 unit. So 1 square. AP1 also we have taken 1 unit. So 1 square. That is 1 plus 1. 1 square is 1 and 1 square is 1. That is 2. Then OP1 square is 2. Therefore OP1 will be equal to this 2 will become root over this side. Okay, so OP1 will be equal to root over 2. So OP1 we get root 2. Similarly in triangle OP1 P2 we will get OP2 as root 3. Can we do that? Yes. In triangle OP1 P2, OP1 P2, again it is a right angle triangle. All these angles are right angle triangle because here we have drawn the perpendicular line, that is a 90 degree with the base. Okay, so in triangle OP1 P2, OP2 is the hypotenuse, OP1 is the base, and P1 P2 is the perpendicular. Okay, so OP2 square, because OP2 is the hypotenuse, so hypotenuse square is equal to OP1 square, OP1 square plus P1 P2 square, P1 P2 square. Now see OP1. What is OP1? OP1 was root 2 and root 2 square, power is 2, plus P1 P2. P1 P2 is 1 unit again. So 1 square, that is root 2 square is 2 and 1 square is 1, that is 2 plus 1, 3. Now OP2 square is 3. Therefore OP2 is equal to root over 3. So in this way we can get the length of the hypotenuse and these irrational numbers we are getting, okay, in a square root spiral. Okay, now how to represent these irrational numbers, root 2, root 3, root 4, root 5 and all these on the number line. So here we need the help of the compass. Okay, so what we will do, everything we are doing here with the pen, but in copy you have to do always with the scale pencil. Okay, and compass and projector. Okay, don't use any pen. Okay, so to represent these irrational numbers on the number line, what we will do, we will measure the length keeping the compass point at O always. Take this length OP1 and draw an arc like this. Take the length OP1 keeping the compass point at O and draw the arc which will cut the number line at some place. Okay, so this point will be your root 2. Okay, similarly if you want to construct or represent root 3 on the number line, then take the length root 3, that is OP2. OP2 is representing root 3. So that length you have to take and draw the arcs here. So similarly OP2 taking like this you will get on the number line. So this point will be your root 3. Okay, so in this way you can represent all the irrational numbers on the number line. Okay, thank you.